Okay. Okay, children. So good morning to all. Almost all reached. Okay. Good morning. So there were homeworks. If it is difficult, I will explain those homeworks to you. Okay.
Ma'am.
Then the last third question I could not do because I
No
didn't
problem. I will explain all the questions later.
Ma'am.
Okay. Let me start the class today. Yes, Freya.
Ma'am, can you please give the name of the students, the whole students? Otherwise, I can understand who are absent.
Yes.
Can
Sorry.
you please give the name of the students of this class?
Okay, I will send later.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. See. mm, See, children. So, homework I will explain later. Let me start a new topic. Okay, estimation. Estimation. I don't know whether you have studied this. Estimations. Okay, estimation of large numbers. Estimation of large numbers. See, children. See, I'll tell you one example. See, children. Suppose in a cricket match. 50,000 or 51,000 people were there in the stadium. So you might have read the news like that.
Yes, ma'am.
And 51,000 spectators were there in the stadium, or approximately 2,000 people were killed in a bomb blast. Like that, you have heard some news, right?
Yes,
Ma'am, now your voice is some low.
Yes.
Is it?
Now it is clear.
Now? Okay.
Now,
A little low.
See, children, now? Hello? Hello?
hear you,
Hello?
ma'am.
Ma'am, we can
Hello?
hear you. Your audio
Can you
is
hear
very
you?
low.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Hello?
now okay.
Sound is okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 51,000 spectators are there in the stadium. Like that, 2 lakh people were migrated to another country. Like that, a lot of news were there in the newspaper. So how will we understand that much people? Will we go
Ma'am,
and
they will
count?
estimate it.
They will
Round it.
estimate it. We cannot go and count it. We cannot go
Yes,
and
ma'am.
count. Okay. So
They will tell the nearest.
Yes. So some situations, it is difficult for us to count each and every person. So we will tell a nearest number. Counting, we'll make it, we'll estimate it and tell a nearest number. Okay, children. Suppose you got the mark in 5 and 3 by 4. 5 and 3 by 4 out of 10. So you got a mark in math test. Suppose 5 and 3 by 4. 5 and 3 by 4, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 5 3 is a fraction.
5 3 by 4. So what will you do? You will tell the marks as teachers will estimate it as 6. 5 and
Yes,
3
ma'am.
by 4 is 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So like that. So
Nearest.
nearest number. That is the real meaning of estimation. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So shall we do estimation? So
Yes,
there are
ma'am.
nearest 10, nearest 100,
100.
nearest 1,000, like that estimation is there. So we'll start the estimation by nearest 10. Okay, children, take your notes. Okay. Okay, so take your notes. Okay, we'll write now. Put today's date. All of you. Okay, then write the heading estimation. Okay, children, estimation. And the first one is estimating to the nearest 10. First one is estimating to the nearest 10. Estimating to the nearest 10. estimating to the nearest 10.
Ma'am, did you discuss the homework? I was not
No,
there.
no, no, no.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, estimating to the nearest 10. And now listen, children. You keep the pen there and listen to me.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I'm just writing.
Shreya, don't take too much time for taking the attendance, okay? At last you
ma'am.
take, at last. Or
Okay.
after you are finishing your work. Okay.
Okay.
Mm. So don't waste the time and please listen to the class. And in between the when I am explaining, you don't write the attendance. Okay. Okay,
ma'am,
then
we will take it up.
estimation to the nearest 10. Now see, children, if I am giving one number 23. Estimation to the nearest 10. No. Now listen. No need of talking. All of you mute. So we are estimating first number as 23. Okay. So what will you do is we to the nearest 10. No, children, nearest 10.
Yes, ma'am.
So this 23 is between two tens. What are the tens?
20 and 30.
20 and 30.
30.
20 and 30.
and 30.
Now look at here, children. 20 and 30. If this is 20 and this is 30. And 1, 2, 3. This is 23 and 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. This much is there. So which is nearby? Which
20.
20.
20.
So estimation to the nearest 10. The answer is 20. Okay, so the answer is 20. Did you understand how to make it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Yes, ma'am.
One easy.
Can I repeat again? I didn't understand. Excuse me,
Listen,
ma'am.
listen. See, 23, if you take 23, there are two tens. 23 is between 20 and 30. Okay, which is near to it? 23, which 23 is near to which 10? 20. Next, if you take 28, if it is in the case of 28,
30.
20 and 30, which is nearby? Which 30 is
30,
nearby?
ma'am.
30.
30. So answer is 30. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear.
So there is one easy way to understand. I'll tell you. See, if you get a number 62, this tens. When you estimate nearest 10, you look at the last digit. Look at the last digit. If it is more than 5, it will go to the next 10. Okay. If it is less than 5,
60.
it will go to the lowest 10.
Ma'am,
Okay.
when it is 5.
When it is 5, it will go to the next tens. Higher tens. Okay.
Ma'am, so if it is more than 5 also, it will go to the 10.
5 and more than 5, it will go to the, suppose if it is 66, 60 and 70. 66 is more than 5. 6, you look at the last
70.
digit. Look at the last digit. If it is more than 5, it will go to the nearest 10, highest 10.
Yes.
Highest
Yes,
10. If it is less than, like 63. If it is less than 5, this 3 is less than 5,
Now
it
60.
will go to
60 and 70 is equal to 60.
Go to
It
16.
will go to the lowest 10. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is 5 and more than 5, it will go to the highest 10. 5 and or more than 5. Here. If it is 65, it will go to 70 itself.
70.
It will go to 70 itself.
What if it was 66?
66? It will go to 70. More
Ma'am.
than 5, no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Look at here, last digit. Last digit is more than 5. It will go to the highest tens.
Ma'am,
Clear?
if it is a
Yes.
if it is a one digit number, what?
One digit number, it will go to 10. One digit number, what is that? One digit number, fourth, as a fourth question, I'll give you, if it is 1. If it is 1 itself, why should we estimate it? Why should we estimate it?
Okay.
Clear? No need of estimation
Ma'am,
there.
should we write these 3?
These 3 you write. And see children, I'll give you some more questions afterwards. So write these 3 questions.
Ma'am, we have to write that arrow and all means
If
as
you
a part of answer.
as you like, if it's easy for you, that you write.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you show the heading? Excuse me, ma'am. The third one, should we write 63?
As a third one, 63. Fourth one, this. 1 second.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop talking.
Ma'am, can you
Stop
show the
talking.
heading?
Heading I already given. No, this is the 4th question and this is the 5th question.
Done, ma'am.
Stop talking. This is third question, 63, and this is 4th question, 66, and this is 5th question, 65. Write the answer here. Answer is 60 of this. And this one, answer is 1 second. I will move the board. Move the board, 1 second. Answer is 70. And here the answer is 70 itself. The board automatically moves up when I touch downwards.
Ma'am, can you show the heading? Because that time I was having network issues.
Estimating to the nearest time.
Can you show the third question? Can you show the 4
See,
and 5?
somebody asked me the heading. That person write fast so that I can move the board. Okay.
Ma'am, finish. Can you show the third one?
Yeah.
Ma'am, the fourth one is 66.
Yes.
Yes. Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, 4,000, is it 65?
66.
66. It's
Can't
66.
you see? Can't you see? It is 66, right?
No, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, now I can see now.
Okay. Now, I'll give some questions for you. One by one, you should tell the answer. Shall I
Correct,
clear
ma'am.
this?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the third one.
Someone is right.
Someone is saying no.
Okay.
I'm finished. Ma'am, I didn't done the fifth one.
Where were you? Huh?
Was writing.
I have given this much time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll give the question to you.
Ma'am, can you change the color of the boat?
Oh, dear, I am doing it. You are inside the gun always. Give me time to do. Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then first question. See.
Ma'am, 10 questions we should write.
No. We should write. It will come automatically into your notebook. You have to write, children. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
children. First
61,
one.
right?
41. Do it fast.
Ma'am, 61, right?
Yeah. 41. Do it fast. Now, no more questions. No more questions. Now, no more questions, and you have to write the answer.
Not finished.
Okay, Isha Binoy, tell the answer.
40.
40. How did you get? Which are the
Because-
two tens? 40 and 40
Sorry,
and
ma'am.
which
40
are the
and
two
50.
tens? 40 and you have to write like this, okay? You should write
Yes,
like
ma'am.
this. Which way I taught the same way. 40 and 50, and the answer is?
Ma'am, I write like this.
40.
Answer is 40.
40.
Clear. Next question. Do fast. No more talking now. $39. 39. Do like this. Adil Shafiq. Answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer?
40.
Tell me the reason. Why did you choose 30? 40. Why the answer is 40?
And it's greater than 35.
Greater than 35. Correct. So answer is 40. 40 itself. Next. 8th question. Are you doing with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move to 3 digits numbers. Which are the two tens in between?
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am. I have it down.
300.
Which are the two tens?
200 and 300.
200 and 300.
That is tens. That is tens.
Ma'am,
It's 100.
290 and
See, look at your children. 300. See, children, this is 9. 9. You look at here. It is 9. You write this 290.
90 and
90. Because that 9 will come as the 90 will come as the lowest 100.
Yes, ma'am.
And next 10, lowest 10. Next 10 will be 300.
300.
After 290, it is
300.
300. And which is the answer here?
So it is
290.
290 itself.
290. Because it's less than 5.
Less than 5.
And can you explain it once again?
See, children, who is asking me this one?
Tanya.
Tanya, listen. 292. 292. When will you, how will you start counting from 290 onwards, right?
Yes.
290, 291, 292, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 300, right?
300.
So 290 is the first 10 and last 10 is 300. Clear? And since
Okay,
2
ma'am.
is less than 5, you got the answer like this. And next one is 9th question. 9th question, are you writing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, children, see. If it is nearest to 10, look at this digit.
Okay, ma'am.
Look at this digit.
Tens digit.
And the first digit will be like that. First 10 will be sustaining
30.
that digit. Sustaining that digit, okay?
Ma'am, I got the next one is 1540.
Next one, 1540.
540. And the answer
Clear.
is 1540.
1 second, did I ask you the answer?
No, ma'am, you didn't.
Now, listen. See, when it is tens, look at that tens itself. Tens digit. That is tens digit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That tens digit should
Yes, ma'am.
you should make that number without any change, 1530. And after that 3, next one is 4. So 1540. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
look at
ma'am.
8. Now look at 8. If it is more than 5, we'll go to the 1540. Answer is
Yes, ma'am.
1540. I hope you understood this.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Ma'am, we have to always look at tens and ones place.
First you look at tens place for writing the limit. First limit and the last limit. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And for estimation, look at the ones digit. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at it.
Excuse
Now
me,
look
ma'am.
at it. One
Excuse me,
second.
ma'am.
Look at here. 1453. Listen, children. This tens digit you should sustain like that itself. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
1450. 1450. Yes, 1460.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you got some relationship you understood, some clue you should
Yes,
keep
ma'am.
in mind. Some clues you should keep in mind.
Ma'am, it's less than 5. So it's 1450.
1 second. Now for estimation, look at the last digit. That
Yes,
is
ma'am.
3. If 3 is less than 5, it will go to the lower
The
limit.
lowest place.
If it is greater than 5, it will go to the upper limit.
Ma'am, what if
Yes.
it's 5, ma'am?
Yes.
What if it's 5?
I already told you now.
Lower limit.
I already told you now. 5 also go to the upper limit. Okay. Now
Yes,
any more
ma'am.
discussions? You need some more clarification in this?
Yes, ma'am. 2 more questions, ma'am.
I'll give some questions. Wait. You have to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Without any wasting time, you have to do fast. 12. It is very easy. See, when you study tens, it is easy. But when you study hundreds and thousands, you will make mistakes in this both. Means you will be confused. So tens you study properly and go.
Ma'am, we studied this.
I know you have studied in smaller classes.
Done, ma'am.
Look at here, children. Tens means only 1 0 in this. Tens. So
Okay,
tens
ma'am.
means that tens 41. At tens numbers, you have to write lower limit and upper limit.
Ma'am,
All
in
of
the
you
10,
finished. All of you finished. Now no more talking.
Yes. No, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in this nearest 10, the ones place always will be 0, right? Okay.
Okay, Shreya, will you write the names of the students?
Yes, ma'am.
In a paper by the time? I'll show the participants list.
Okay, ma'am.
You can see, no? You can see participants list and
Now
write.
finish.
Yes.
Finish.
Isn't it, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now almost all finished, I suppose. Richard Melking?
Yes, ma'am.
Adviga? Will you tell the answer of first one? With the steps.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the ninth one, right?
11th one. 9th. Oh.
840.
Tell me the limits. 840
And 850.
and answer is
840.
yes, correct. Pavitra, tell the answer of the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the limits are 9,530 and 9,540. The answer is 9,540.
Correct. Because 7 is more than 5.
It's greater, ma'am.
More than 5. Correct.
Ma'am,
Next one.
can I?
One second. Ammu, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
2,586.
Yes, 2000.
Ma'am, the limits are 2,580
Hmm.
and 2,590. Ma'am, answer is 2,090.
Correct,
Yes.
correct. Did you get the answer, children? The same answer, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
any doubt, we will do it.
No more doubts, ma'am.
Okay.
No more doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we do estimation nearest 100?
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay,
Ready,
okay.
ma'am.
So, it is second one. Estimating to the nearest 100. Estimating to the nearest 100. Estimating to the nearest 100.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Now here, children, I'll explain one question. 410. You have to write the 100. See,
Ma'am, can I?
wait, let me explain. 410. 410 means, in this, you don't look at the tens digit. It's estimation to the nearest 100. So, which all 200s are the limits of this? So here, since it is 100, you have to look at the hundreds place. This is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Look at here, hundreds place. So the limit you have to write like this. 400 and next 100 is 500.
500.
And here, look, this rule is different because since it is nearest, last time when we did nearest 10, we took the ones digit, right? Ones digit.
Because 10 has
Here,
only one
Now
digit.
tens. Now tens.
Now you have to look at the last two digits. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If it is more than less than 50, it will go to the lower limit.
400.
More than 50, less than 50, it will go to the lower limit. And it is more than 50, it will go to the upper limit.
Upper limit.
Upper limit. Now 410. 410. 10 is less than 50 or more than 50?
400.
Less than 50.
Less than 50. So it will go to the
Lower limit.
lower limit. So our answer is 400. Write this and I will explain the next one.
Okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Second question also I will explain. Wait.
Ma'am, I got the participant's name, ma'am. So what should I do now? Participant's name I got.
Okay. Now can you understand who is absent today?
Ma'am, there are 41 students and 4 are absent. I don't know their names. Let me.
Ma'am, one is absent because there are 39 participants.
Okay. One second.
No, 37.
I'll read the names. Okay. Adinath,
Present, ma'am.
Agnay,
Present, ma'am.
Alim, Alim
Present, ma'am.
Fian,
He is present, ma'am.
Adil Shafiq,
Present, ma'am.
Adviga,
Present, ma'am.
Alok,
Present, ma'am.
Ambrose,
Present, ma'am.
Ammu. Ammu
Is
is
present.
present.
Ma'am.
She was present. Amna Fatima. Amna Fatima.
Not present.
No, she was not there in the participant list.
Okay, now look at there. Shreya, you write Amna Fatima's name also. She is absent today. Clear? Anandesh?
Clear, ma'am.
Anandan?
Present, ma'am.
Anandan?
I'm present.
Angelina Jose?
Present, ma'am.
Martin?
She's
Angelina
present.
Martin?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Anha Fatima?
Present, ma'am.
Anha Fatima?
Present,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, Anha Fatima. Ayman?
Present, ma'am.
Bhuvanalakshmi?
No, ma'am.
So you're right. Bhuvanalakshmi is also one student is there. She is absent today. Blesswin Sinsho?
Present, ma'am.
Brightlin? Brightlin?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Catherine?
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay?
Present, ma'am.
Dia?
Present, ma'am.
Isha?
Present, ma'am.
Gautam?
Present, ma'am.
John Sebi?
He is present.
John Sebi?
Present, ma'am.
Neha Sharath?
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra Girish?
Present, ma'am.
Praveen?
Present, ma'am.
Razil?
Present, ma'am.
Richard?
Present, ma'am.
Rizin?
Present, ma'am.
Rohit?
Present, ma'am.
Rudra?
Present, ma'am.
Cheryl?
Present, ma'am.
Shivagayatri?
Present, ma'am.
Shreya Suraj?
Present, ma'am.
Sri Shankar?
Present, ma'am.
Tania?
Present, ma'am.
Manu?
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak?
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu?
Present, ma'am.
Vaigari? Okay,
While
understood,
is not
Shreya?
there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this list you keep with you, and next period also you take the attendance who is absent. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and now who is absent? Tell me.
Ma'am, Amna and Bhuvana.
Amna and Bhuvan. Only 2 students are absent.
Yes, ma'am. Now so many are absent. 37 participants only now.
Mm.
Someone has left.
Mm. Amna and Bhuvan. Okay.
Now 36.
Okay, whenever just see whether they are in the starting of the class, and after, if it is before 5 or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, they are vanishing, just see. Okay,
Okay.
throughout they should be there in the class. Just tell me the absence. Okay, children.
Ma'am, the
So
continuation will be in next class.
yes. Okay, shall I wind up now?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, thank you. When is our next class?
Ma'am, next class we will
Next
discuss
class.
the homework.
When will be next class?
9:40
9:50.
the next class, ma'am.
10:40. Okay, bye.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am, 50, ma'am.
950.
We'll discuss the homework.
950, ma'am.
Okay.